It pumps brackish water from deep underground aquifers. It filters out the salt. Pure water comes out.
As the plants grow, workers install vertical strings or nets. Cucumber is a vining plant. It needs to climb.
This improves airflow and prevents disease. The farm is labor-intensive but necessary in the humid microclimate created in the desert.
We've spotted the mites. Now we're introducing the biocontrol agents. This is how we sustainably protect the cucumbers here in the desert.
A stunning drone shot from high above. A massive rectangle of emerald green stands out against the endless.
Keep the pace up, everyone. We need these crates filled by noon.
The cucumbers are dumped into a chilled water bath. This removes the field heat from the desert sun instantly. It crisps up.
Computerized cameras scan each cucumber as it zooms by on a belt. They sort by length and curvature.
Looks good. Almost all grade A.
The quality from the desert farm has been surprisingly high this season.
Look at the quality on these. It says desert farm. From the desert?
That is incredible.
The flavor is intense. The desert farm produce is top tier.
The chef adds the cucumber to a gourmet salad. It adds texture and color. The dish is served.
The cucumber industry has transformed the desert economy. The farm is a lifeline for the village.
We've achieved 95% water efficiency with this system.
And the harvest data confirms these cucumbers are ready for market, Director.
This model is scalable.
Small cucumbers from the farm are sent to a pickling line. They are jarred in brine. This adds value. The desert cucumber
Year-round production. A time-lapse shows the farm operating through winter and summer. The controlled environment allows
The drone pulls back to show the true size of the farm. It is massive. Dozens of shade houses.
The goal is food security. The cucumber is just the start.
Where the farm triumphs over the desert.
We begin with a true miracle in the dunes.
It's being called the desert food revolution. The world is talking about this cucumber farm.
The sun sets, casting long shadows. The shade houses glow.